Good morning, students. Today we are going to start area of triangle. In terms of coordinate geometry, we are going to find what area of triangle. So let's consider one of the part of the quadrant. Okay, this one is the x-axis, this is what y-axis, and if we consider a triangle somewhere in that particular portion of the first quadrant, so let's find out their quadrants now. Suppose the triangle is A, B and C. So coordinates of A will be x1, y1. That is, you can see clearly on x-axis it is x1 0, here it is 0 y1. On B, the coordinates of B will be x2 y2. So what I will write here, x2 0 and 0 y2. Similarly for the coordinate C, for the vertices C we have x3 0 and for C it is x3 y3. So the coordinates of C will be 0 y3. So what is the area of triangle in terms of coordinates? Okay, we will write here area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. It is given as, we do not derive the formula, x1, then I will write y2 minus y3 plus x2, it is x2, I will write here y3 minus y1 and x3 it is y1 minus y2. See the formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to half, it is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 it is y1 minus y2. So I am just going to find out in terms of x. Okay, in terms of y also there is formula, and for that we have to write here half, then I have to write y1 x2 minus x3 plus y2 x3 minus x1 plus y3 x1 minus x2. So we'll consider only one formula, this one, no need to go for both the formulas, we'll get the same answer, so not necessary to get a burden of the formulas. So using this formula we are going to find now area of triangle. So without wasting time, I am going to exercise 7.3 now. Exercise 7.3. Examples you have to do from your own. For in doubt, you can call me. See the first exercise 7.2, the first question. We are given some points here like 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. We have to find the area of the given points. So what we'll do here, we'll write here, let A, coordinates of A will be 2, 3, coordinates of B will be minus 1, 0 and coordinates of C is what, 2, minus 4. So it is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Always used to write these things because it will get familiar to use the same thing in the formula, and if possible write down formula in each and every question. So we'll write here ABC, simply you are writing ABC, so it can be written as area of triangle ABC is equal to half, the formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2, it is y3 minus y1 and x3 it is y1 minus y2. Please keep on writing formula each and every question, so you'll get well familiar with the sequence. That is, if I'm writing x1 here, so cycle starts from y2 to y3. For x2 again it will continue from y3 to y1, and for x3 it will be y1 to y2. Okay, please remember that no sequence of the number frequencies will be repeated here, like 1 2 3, 2 3 1, 3 1 2. So none of the formula contains the same numbers here. Okay, that thing should keep in your mind. Now let's put the values of x1 is given as 2, then in bracket y2, can you see here, y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus 4. So what I will do here, I will write minus 4 and then I will keep the bracket like this, because minus and minus will become plus. Now the value of x2 is what? Minus 1. y3 minus y1, it is minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 is given as 2 and y1 is given as 3 minus 0. 1 by 2 minus minus plus, so it is 4 plus minus 1 minus 4 into minus 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 7 plus 2 into 3, so it will be 1 by 2. Now simply 2 4s are 8, 7 1s are 7, 2 3s are 6. So after adding this, 8 plus 7 15 plus 6, it is 21. So 21 by 2 square units. So by this way, using this simple formula, we can calculate what? Area of the given triangle. Clear? You can see how to put the value and how to point the numericals. I think it should be clear, all up to you. Now let's move for the second question of the same. Yeah. Now the second question is given as, second part of the question, it is 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5 and 5 2. Now again we are given the three vertices of the triangle and their coordinates. So again we'll suppose, let A is what? 5 minus 1, B is what? 3 minus 5 and C is what? 5 2. So we have x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Clear? Again we are going to use the formula, and the formula is ABC is equal to, ABC is what? Half. Keep on writing formula in each and every question. y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 and x3 is what? y1 minus y2. Now let's put the value. The value of x1 is given as 5 and y2 minus y3, so it can be written as minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 is what? 3. Now y3 is 2 minus y1 minus minus 1. Okay, plus x3. The value of x3 is what? 5 and y1 minus y2. y1 y2, it is minus 1 minus minus 5. Keep concentrate on the formula and where the minus is and what the formula minus is given. We have to keep everything in our mind. It is 5, now minus 7 plus 3, it is minus minus plus 2 plus 1 will be 3 and then 5 it is minus 1 plus 5. Just increase one more step here. So what we'll get now, it is 1 by 2, 5 into minus 7, it is minus 35, plus 3 3s are 9, plus 5 minus 1 4, 4 5s are 20. So it is 1 by 2 minus 35 plus what we'll get now, just wait for a moment. Let's check the value once again. It is y2 minus y3, x2 is what, 3, then y3 and y1, 2 plus 1, 3, and then it is y1 minus y2. So minus 35 plus it is 29, 1 by 2, if we subtract minus 6, so remove it, it is 6, so 2 3 are 6. Just check the value once again. 5 minus 1, b is 3 minus 5,